Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to send your geolocation to your friend or other contact via iMessage. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. To do this, you go into the messaging app. You open the chat, you press the plus sign, and you look for a location in that list. If there's no location here, you click on More, and here you find Location. You selected it. Then you allow the phone to use your geo position. If you accidentally forbid it, check in the settings and enable access for the messaging app to your location. I enable this permission through settings and go back to chat. Now I click on this button right here, and I can select here the position that I want to send. It can either be some exact location, or I want to send my own geo position. Julia, I need to click on the arrow in the corner of this frame, and I click Share. You can also broadcast the geo position, or you can leave it in the same place. Send it. You can also cancel the broadcast of your location. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.